Gates very quickly is number 5, Nata Ross. Also with a strong start, number 3, Move Your Bumper. In third position, number 2, Bumper Ross. Still hanging on to first position is Nata Ross. Creeping up on Nata Ross, we have number 9, Yam Shit. It's Nata Ross saying Nata Ross, the Yam Shit, denying him of any chance to take the lead. Yamming the dust and the shit of both of them is the current third place holder, number 2, Move Your Bumper, who has just been removed now by number 13, Push Juke. It is now Push Juke and Nata Ross. 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 Taking the lead, it's Bumper Ross, closely followed by Nata Ross. Third place, Push Juke. The rest of the field is in a frenzy as Bumper Ross and Nata Ross break away from the rest of the gang. Breaking away is Bumper Ross, Nata Ross, Nata Ross, Bumper Ross. Oh Ross, this is going to be a close call. You bitch, you in third place. Coming down the stretch, Bumper Ross is in the lead, telling everybody about their Bumper Ross. Down the stretch, 600 meters left to go. Bumper Ross leave the rest of the field in the dust. Bumper Ross holding it up. Bumper Ross is taking the rest of the field. Bumper Ross taking it home. Nata Ross second place and Ross in whole third place. Let's look at the replay once more again. Bumper Ross. So that was just a little something that I had in my head, and I hope you guys enjoyed it as much as I enjoyed making the video for you. And if you did enjoy it, all I want you to do is two things: hit the thumbs up button, share this, and if you're new to the thing, then just hit the subscribe button. That's all I want. And also be on the lookout. The Kevin Too Crazy shirts are on the way, and as usual, man, you think it, you believe it, and then you live to achieve it. I'm gone.
Yes, man.